Hi, Michelle from Birdcage and Thread here with a quick tutorial on installing and using the quick change clamp. Now I have a Juki TL-2000QI, but it should work on all the industrial Juki machines. Just as a note, it only works with your regular style presser foot. It won't work with if you have an adjustable zipper foot. It does not work with that because this button here or this side here interferes with the adjuster on the zipper foot. So just keep in mind it only works with the regular high shank feet that come with the Juki. So let's take a look at installing it. So this is how the quick change clamp comes. You have the button on one side, the spring in the center, this other collar piece here, and a screw. So you open up the whole thing by unscrewing this button here. Take out the spring, take out the collar, and you're left with the screw, which you're going to thread that through from left to right on your needle bar, like that. Then you're going to place this collar piece so that this flat end here goes on first. Now I'm going to do this back to front so you can see what I'm doing and my fingers don't get in the way. Next you're going to place the spring over the screw there. Then lastly take the button and you're going to screw that onto the end of the screw. There's a small thread at the end there and you're going to screw that on just enough so that the screw is in line with the end of the button. You don't want the screw coming out because you get poked in the finger by the screw end. So just about there is enough, and that's your quick change clamp installed. So now the quick change clamp is installed, the idea is that you press the button on this side, which pushes the screw out this side, allowing you to change your presser foot. So you can either press like that or the side of your finger. I'll try with this. So you give that a press, and you have to use some force because the spring inside has to be hefty to hold your presser foot on and hold that screw in place. As you can see, it leaves marks in your fingers and you'll get very sore fingers if you're changing presser feet all day. So I came up with two solutions. The first one is that you still use your finger, so place the finger on the button, bring your thumb around the front and place it on the needle bar. And then essentially you're squeezing your thumb and finger together. And as you can see, that's quick and easy. But again, it leaves marks in your fingers and you're going to get very sore fingers if you're doing that constantly. The other solution I came up with is that realizing that the palm of your hand is stronger than your fingers. So I'm going to place the palm of my hand on the button. Again, bring the fingers around the back. You can use one or two fingers, whatever's comfortable for you. Place that on the needle bar, and again, you're squeezing. And you've got much more strength in the palm of your hand. However, you're still going to get a very sore hand if you're doing this all day. So one of the solutions I came up with is that I needed to have some sort of cushioning between the palm of my hand and the button here. Now when I say cushioning, you don't want any soft cushioning, you want something fairly sturdy. So what I came up with was a wine cork. It's still soft, but it's sturdy. And I just sliced off one edge of it to make a flat edge. And so I placed the wine cork on the palm of my hand like that and placed the flat side against the screw or the button on this side. And it's the same process. Place 1 or 2 fingers on the needle bar and squeeze, and there it's changed. And that's going to be much easier on your hands if you're doing this constantly. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching.